Today, we want to dig deep into why YouTube sometimes takes away your precious views. It's essential to understand these factors so you can fine-tune your content and ensure those view counts stay legit. So let's dive right in and explore the 4 big reasons why YouTube deducts views. 1. The verification process. Alright, so here's the deal. YouTube's got this verification process where they carefully examine every single view before showing it on the watch page. They do this to keep things honest and ensure that the view counts truly represent genuine engagement. Now, they don't spill the beans on the exact criteria they use, but they're all about filtering out any sketchy or fake views. Gotta keep it real, right? 2. Viewers' engagement. Now here's where things get interesting. YouTube's algorithm is all about how viewers interact with your content, especially right at the beginning. If your video fails to grab their attention and they bail out quickly, those views might not make the cut. This could happen if you've got a snooze-inducing intro, a title that's more clickbait than truth, or a thumbnail that looks like a tease. Keep those views intact, you gotta step up your game with engaging intros, descriptive titles, and thumbnails that accurately represent your awesome content. 3. Incomplete views and watch time. Watch time is king, my friends. YouTube loves it when viewers hang around and binge watch your content. So if someone clicks on your content but bounces out after a few seconds, YouTube might not count it as a view. Yeah, at first they might believe it, but when they look closely and see that there isn't much interaction, they'll subtract it from your total views. They want to see viewers who are fully engaged and committed, not just passing by for a quick second. 4. Thumbnail, title, and content mismatch. Alright, let's get real for a sec. If your thumbnail and title mislead viewers, leaving them disappointed or feeling like they got played, they're gonna bolt, and when they bolt, YouTube might snatch away those views. So be authentic and transparent, YouTubeator. Your thumbnail and title should accurately represent what's in the video. No bait and switch here. Give viewers the real deal so they stick around and appreciate your awesomeness. Wrapping it up. So the real reasons why YouTube takes away views are the verification process, viewer engagement, incomplete views, and thumbnail title content discrepancies all come into play. But fear not, you can stay on top of your game by crafting captivating intros, keeping it honest with your titles and thumbnails, and delivering quality content throughout your videos. That way you'll keep viewers engaged, maintain those accurate view counts, and grow your fan base. Remember, YouTube's all about fairness and accuracy, giving credit where it's due. By staying true to your viewers and delivering value from start to finish, you'll earn their loyalty and thrive on this wild platform. So, embrace these insights, my friends, adapt your approach, and keep creating mind-blowing content that hooks your audience. Best of luck on your YouTube journey, and here's to skyrocketing success. Cheers!